The Soho is one of our all-metal above-ground pool options. That means all components of the pool are metal, including the wall. The Soho is a statement pool that has a wall height of 52 inches, with a 7-inch top ledge and an 8-inch upright post. This pool is available in 18, 21, 24, and 30-foot round and is equipped with a 2-horsepower, 2-speed pump and either a 250 or 400-pound sand filter, depending on the size of pool you choose. You can customize this pool by selecting to upgrade to a thicker liner, your maintenance equipment, and even your ladder. You can also choose standalone options such as upgrading your sanitizer to salt or ozone, or adding glass filter media to your filter. We will even coordinate the installation of your new pool purchase for you, including the delivery of the sand that is needed for the install. The installation price varies based on the size of the pool and your location. Country leisure, just add water.